So let's get started. First, we need to make a command in which the user has to enter two integers. So let's quickly make it. And the same for number 2. We will use the for loop for this. And the second line of our code will be if x is greater than y, then y will be the smaller number. For finding the HCF, we need to first find which number is smaller. Why we need to find this, I will tell you later. So if it is not smaller, then the smaller number will be x. And then for I in range 1, comma, smaller plus 1, if x divided by I gives the remainder 0, and the same for y, then it will be a common factor of both of them. Since HCF or GCD means highest common factor and greatest common divisor. So we need to find the common first. And here we have found out the common number. Then we will replace the value of I with HCF. Next, we need to print the HCF. And that's all, our code is ready. Now let me tell you how does this work. Here two integers are stored in variable x and y. They are stored in two variables that are x and y. And now we find the HCF of those two numbers and return it. In the function, we first determine the smaller of two numbers using the HCF. Since the HCF can only be less than or equal to the smallest number, we then use a for loop to go from 1 to that number. In each iteration, we check if our number perfectly divides both the input numbers. If so, we store the numbers as HCF. At the completion of the loop, we end up with the largest number that perfectly divides both the numbers. And so we find the HCF. Now let's save this code and quickly run it. Now let's save it and run it. We can find any number. I am taking small numbers first, for example. Now we can see the HCF is 6. And we can take even bigger numbers such as 729 and 28. Their HCF is 1 since no number is common among them except 1. So let us take any other example such as 729 and 81. Their HCF is 81. We can take more examples like this, such as 1983232, 432432, and their HCF is 16. This is how this code works, and you can get the code in the description given below. And thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for our next video, which will be coming soon.